Welcome student. Today my topic is subject verb agreement. It is very important part in a sentence, especially for framing sentence or making sentence. And what is the condition for the verb first for being placed in a sentence? What is the relation between subject and verb? Let's see. Let's start the basic rule for subject verb agreement. Here the first point here given like that singular subjects must have singular verbs and plural subjects take plural verbs. So student, if subject is singular, obviously verb will be singular, like he plays. So if I am telling a sentence, he plays cricket, he is the subject and he is singular. And side by side you can see plays, 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 it is the singular verb and it is as just he is the third person singular number, that's why verb is also singular. If verb is if subject is plural, then verb is also plural, like they play cricket, they, the subject here is the plural, therefore the verb will be play, not the plays. Plays is incorrect, play will be there, play is the plural verb. Rules on subject verb agreement, let's see. Number 1, the pronoun you always takes a plural verb. Number 1 point, the pronoun you always takes a plural verb. Sometimes you is singular but sometimes you is plural, but always you always takes a plural verb, like you were, you are, you sing, like you were in the past tense it is a plural form, because you is unidentified, that's why it was it is preceded, it is followed by always plural verb, whether in the past tense or in the present tense. You were invited to come. Number 2 example, you are asked to clean the room. You can see these underlined verbs are in plural form. You sing so well. Sing, S-I-N-G, sing, not added with any S or es, that means you is plural and sing is also plural verb. In the next page, point number 2, if a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agrees with the subject which follows it. If a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agrees with the subject which follows it. Dear students, sometimes we don't get any subject for the introducing in a sentence, therefore we use here or there for the beginning of the sentence, and here you have to see what is given after the verb. If after the verb plural is there, then you have to use plural verb. If singular is there after the verb, then you have to use singular. Example, you can see here are the ways on how to preserve meat. Here are the ways on how to preserve meat. So here you can see the ways is a plural, therefore are is preferred here after here. There is a huge gap between rich and the poor. There is a huge gap. You can see after is a huge gap is given, singular sense, therefore is the suitable verb for here, a singular verb. If two subjects, one singular and one plural, are connected by either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearer subjects. Here you can see if two subjects are there, one single and one plural. If two subjects, one single and one plural, are connected by either or and neither nor, then you have to follow you have to follow the last subject what is given, and according to the last subject the verb will be there, like neither the players nor the coach. Here the first subject is players and the second subject is the coach. Coach is singular, therefore verb is also singular, that means is joining. Here either the conductor or the singers. First subject is the conductor and the second subject is the singers. Singers, you can see it is in the plural form, therefore are is used, are attending the concert. That means in case of either or neither nor, second subject will be accepted. Number 4, a singular subject followed by intervening words or phrases such as with, as well as, in addition to, accompanied by, together with, and no less than takes singular verb. Just like you can see Jake accompanied by his sisters. So what is given before accompanied by, you have to see this, like Jake. Jake is singular, therefore the verb is singular. Jake is enrolling in PCC. Daddy as well as my brothers. You have to see what is given before as well as. That means daddy. So your verb pattern will be like daddy is enjoying the party. Daddy is singular, therefore verb is singular. In this way all the examples will be there, together with, in addition to, no less than also. Number 5 point, singular subjects joined by and require a plural verb except when they mean one thing. Here you can see the joining of the two words. Larry and Mercy are reading novels. Larry and Mercy are reading novels. When two subjects are joined with the word and, then verb will be plural, just like are. Here you can see are reading novels. My teacher and friend is here. My teacher and friend is here. Here you can see my teacher and friend both are the same person. That's why is used here. Therefore, you can see the use of is here. My teacher and friend both are the same person. That's why. If same person is there or same thing is there, then that time verb will be singular. Otherwise, it will be plural. Next, point number 6. Two singular subjects joined by either or, neither nor take a singular verb. Either mommy or daddy is coming with me at the outbound. Either mommy or daddy. So here either or is given. That's why either or, for in case of either or and neither nor, singular verb is using, like is. Neither Freddy nor Dulce is waiting for you. So here neither nor and either or, you have to use singular verb. Number 7, if a singular subject is followed by a phrase containing a plural noun, the verb is singular. If a singular subject is followed by a phrase containing a plural noun, the verb is singular. One of the boys. Like here you can see one of the boys. Many boys are there, from here only one. So you have to accept only one. One of the boys. So one is yelling so loud. Here the subject will be like this. One is yelling. One is singular, therefore verb is also singular. One of the members. You don't have to see the members. You have to see one, and verb is singular. One of the members is against the rule. Number 8 point, the indefinite pronouns several, few, both, many, others are always plural. Here some indefinite pronouns for quantity it is used, and these indefinite pronouns are always plural, like both were asking. Both means more than one, means two. Both were asking to be freed. So here both is followed by were. Several are seeking justice. Several means many, therefore are is used here. Several are seeking justice. The indefinite pronouns some, most, all, none are singular and or plural according to the meaning of the sentence. Like some of the girls were absent, some of the ice cream is left. Sometimes it is singular, sometimes it is plural. Some of the girls were absent and some of the ice cream is left. First of all, in the first sentence, it is girls is used here. That's why where is given. And the second sentence, only ice cream is given singular. That's why it is. Number 10. When any of the following indefinite pronouns is the subject, the verb is singular. Like here, you keep in mind that the words like this will be given a singular verb, like everybody, each, no one, another, anybody, nobody, every, nothing, everything, anyone, either, neither, everyone, somebody, someone. All these type of words are used as a singular. Like every man and woman in this hall is a member. So every is used, therefore it is singular. Every man and woman in this hall is a member. Expressions of time, money, weight and distance are singular even if the form is plural. You have to keep in mind that time, money, weight and distance are singular in form. Like 2 years, whether it is given 2 years, but its sense is singular. Like 2 years is a long time to wait. Is because time is singular. $1 million, although the amount of dollar is huge, but it is used as a singular. Like 100 kilometers is. Number 12, when the amount of money refers to separate units, the verb is plural. What is this? Example, like 525 centavo coins were found. 525 centavo coins were found. Here you can see 5 different coins were there. 600 peso bills were added to the budget. 6, so 6 different, and here 5 different, so therefore it is used as a plural. The following words are always plural. Which are these? Like pants, trousers, pliers, scissors, shears, tongs. However, if the word pair is used, the verb is singular. Like the pants are torn. Pants, normally if you use pants, then it is used as a plural form. Like pants are torn into two. But sometimes if you are using pair, the word pair, that time it will be singular. Like the pair of scissors. If you just say about scissors, then it will be plural. But if you say the pair of scissors was placed on the table, that time it will be singular. In the 14th point, certain nouns, though plural in form, are singular in meaning and therefore take singular verbs. What is the example of this? Like mathematics. Mathematics, it is looking a plural form, but as it is a singular noun, therefore the verb will be singular. Mathematics, physics, economics, statistics, All these are the singular subjects, and sometimes movies names are there in the added with s or es, but don't make this plural form. These are the singular. The latest news, like news, the word news is a singular, although s is added, but it is taken as a singular, therefore verb is singular. The latest news is alarming to the public. Number 15, when the word is preceded by a, it takes a plural verb. When it is preceded by the, it takes a singular verb. What is it? A number of students are waiting outside, and the number of students outside is not recorded yet. A number of students, when the sentence starts like this, a number of students, therefore you can use are as a plural form, as a plural verb, are waiting outside. But when a is changed into the, that time are changed into is, like the number of students outside is not recorded yet. Number 16, when fractions are used, the verb agrees with the object of phrase. When fractions are used, the verb agrees with the object of the phrase, like one half of the cake. One half of the cake was consumed. Like one fourth of the employees, one fourth of the employees. So after the fraction, which noun is there, you have to see, like one half, after that noun is cake. Cake is singular, therefore verb will be singular. Like cake was, if after the fraction the noun is plural, like one fourth of the employees, here the noun is employees, employees is in plural form, therefore your verb will be in the plural form. So always keep in mind, after the fraction, whether singular noun is there or plural noun is there, you have to change the verb according to this. These nouns may be singular or plural in meaning, like athletic, genetics, politics, gymnastics, statistics. And when the noun refers to an organized activity, it is singular. When the noun refers to the activities of the individuals within a group or to varied activities, it is plural. Like gymnastics is very popular among girls. Gymnastics is a singular in sense, therefore verb is singular. Gymnastics shown in the field today were outstanding, but here the activities one by one, many activities related to gymnastics, therefore it is verb is plural here, shown in the today were outstanding. So here verb is the where is plural because many activities related to gymnastics were shown. Number 18, the name of a country is always regarded as singular. Like the Bahamas has beautiful beaches, so has is singular verb. Philippines is a wondrous place. Philippines, although added with s, but it is singular. Next, adjectives used as nouns are considered plural. Adjectives used as nouns are plural, are considered plural. Like the poor are, the poor means all the poor people of the country. So here not one people, not one man, but all the people. The poor are, poor is the plural, therefore verb is plural. The efficient means all the efficient people. The efficient means all the efficient people. Therefore, it is used as plural and verb is plural. The efficient are what this country needs. Number 20, collective nouns may be singular or plural depending on whether the individual members are acting individually or collectively. These nouns are company, group, committee, crowd, jury, flock, and team. Sometimes they are working collectively or together, that time it is singular. If they are not working at the same time, um, collaboratively they are not working, that time it will be plural. Like the committee is against the plan, means it is the collective decision of the committee, that's why is singular verb is used. The committee are of a different opinion, the committee are of different opinion. So here you can see the committee has been divided into several parts and their decisions are different, therefore verb is plural. 21. In the use of mathematical expressions, the following are accepted. Like 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 and 3. 7, 7 and 3 are 10. 5 times 2 are 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. So when plus and minus is there, that time is used. When 7 and 3 and is used, that time are verb. And when multiplication is there, 5 times 2, that time also verb is plural. Titles of the books, plays, articles, movies, etc. regarded singular, even though words in the title may be plural. Sometimes you can see the titles of the books and movies added with s or es, that does not mean that it is plural. In Dreams Begin, Responsibilities is a story by D. Chowat. Great Expectations is a must-read novel. Great Expectations is a must-read novel. So here you can see that in Dreams Begins, Responsibilities and Great Expectations both are added with s, but here after that the verb is singular. Names of organizations, take a singular verb when the whole organization is referred to and a plural verb when members are referred to. Like Lopez and Sons is a successful organization. So although these are different names, but names are added with a single organization, therefore verb is singular. Like Lopez and Sons, like Datta and Sons. So is a successful organization. Lopez and Sons are holding 2-day annual meeting. But if you are referring them differently, Lopez and Sons different, that time verb will be plural. If a sentence begins with the expletive it or it, the verb is always singular, even if the subject that follows the verb is plural. Like it is the schools which must assume the responsibility. It is us. So sometimes we are using it and it is used as a singular verb, like it is us who must take care of the environment. In this way, you have completed the chapter subject verb agreement. Hope my tips will help you a lot for error correction, framing sentence, like all this. In my next video, I will come with some more interesting topics. Till then, goodbye to all of you.